reasons why your business should be selling online. Hey there guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Bizniz Talk with your founder and host Biegnaar. We as the business media helps brands and businesses start, launch and grow their own online business. And if you would like to find out more, then stick around to the end of this video where I'll be telling you more information on how we can help your business in starting that online journey and making your first sale online. So as mentioned in today's video, I would like just to cover the 5 reasons why your business should be selling your products online. So over the past decade, people have changed the way in which they consume as well as purchase from brands and businesses. In the past, everything was driven from a very offline form of media and advertising, but that has all changed as more and more people have started to adopt and now own smartphones. So for has the increase in the use of these devices, and therefore has translated into a way or changed the way in which people transact online. So e-commerce is really much any form of transaction that is completed and any exchange of transaction that is completed using the internet and therefore online shopping, marketplaces, social selling are few of the ways and means in which e-commerce is taking place. So the first and foremost reason is it's very cost effective and it's affordable to launch. So starting your own online store should not cost you an arm and a leg. With the right advice and the right assistance, you'll be able to find an affordable package that's able and suited for your business needs. So whether your business decides to launch on Shopify, WooCommerce and Magento, those are just a few of the online solutions that you are able to build your online store for. Secondly is being able to access new markets and new customers. With the use of the internet, there are no longer boundaries or borders that separates how people transact as well as the how people communicate. And with that being said, this allows you, so once your product are being sold online, you are now not only able to find new customers, but you're also able to sell across borders and locations which you could not have or formerly could not have be a part or sold in. So that allows you to access this wide range of customers that are currently transacting and shopping online. Reason number 3 is people start most of their purchases and online customer journeys of using Google and the internet. So if your product is not being listed or not being found, it's very hard for customers to actually shop and to purchase and also to transact with your brand and your business. And that is why it's also important that once you start thinking about your online journey, that you start listing and having your products easily available for customers to shop and buy from your brand. The fourth reason for going online is that your retail store or product offering is now available to customers 24/7. Gone are the days where retailers or retail stores for that matter had trading hours where it's Monday to Friday 9 to 5. Having an online store allows you to trade 24/7, 365 days of the year. So as long as your store is active and you have products to sell, you are able to fulfill orders even when you would have literally been closed. You are able to make transactions and service your customers at any time, anywhere and at any place. But last but not least, and this is for reason number 5, is that you are able to not only make these sales online, but you're also able to build data and to also build traction with your customers. So as before, traditionally you weren't able to track where your customers came from, how much they spent with you, and how often they came back to actually make a purchase from your business and your brand. But with an online store and selling your product online, you are now able to not only understand where your customers are coming from, how much time they actually spend in your store, and essentially what items they are browsing and what items they are actually, looking at and looking for. And that was really much the summary of 5 reasons why your business should start selling if you are not selling your products online. But then last but not least, to add over and above what was previously shared in this video, is that it really allows you to test the market. So in the past, where you had to invest in stock and products beforehand, with the online avenue and option, you are able to test out products. So whether you make samples or smaller batch runs of each of your products, you are able to upload that to your online store and to actually test and understand and see if customers are actually interested in buying that product before you invest in getting more stock and getting more bulk orders on that product. So if your business is not yet selling online and you would like just to have a conversation with how we can help your business transition from a traditional brick and mortar business into a full-on online business, all you have to do is drop your details down below in the comments, or feel free to drop me a DM and I'll be able to assist you. And that is a summary of today's video. And if you would like to find out more, remember to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time we drop new video and new content to help you and your business on this online journey. And that's all from today's video. Thanks very much for your time.